In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the error Nvidia Installer failed when downloading GeForce Now. If you're encountering this issue, don't worry, there are several steps you can try to resolve the problem. The first thing you can do is disable any antivirus software. Some antivirus software can interfere with the installation process. Try disabling it temporarily before attempting to install or update GeForce Now. The next thing you can try is to run the exe file as administrator. So when you download, you will get a file right over here. You're going to go to downloads and you're going to get a file GeForce Now release.exe. You're going to right click on it. You're going to click run as administrator. You will get this pop up over here. You're going to click yes. And it should download from there. This ensures that the installation process has the necessary permissions to complete. You can also try to install the latest update of Windows to see if that works. So click on the search icon right over here and click on check for updates, or search it up if you guys don't have it searched up already, and you'll see the updates. It should automatically pop up here, and you're just going to click restart or install depending on if you have the update installed or not. So the next thing you can try to fix this problem is to download WinRAR. So I'll have this website linked in the description down below so you can install it from here, and you're just going to click on download WinRAR. You're going to click download once you see this page again. And it should pop up right in the bottom left corner. You will see the steps, but I'll go through them quickly right now. So you're going to go and click on the actual exe file right over here. You're going to get another pop-up like this, user account control. Click yes. And you should see this over here. Click install. And then just click OK. And then click done. So now you have WinRAR installed right over here. So now that we've downloaded WinRAR, we're going to go back to the GeForce Now download site. And you're just going to click download on what you have. So I have a Windows PC. I'm going to click download. So once you have it downloaded, you're going to go back into File Explorer. And you're going to go to any folder currently. Or you can go over here as well. But you're going to click right over here, new folder. And then just name it GeForce Now. And what you're going to do is get the GeForce Now release. And you're going to drag and drop it into that folder. And now you're going to go into that folder. You're going to right click on the GeForce Now release. And click extract here with WinRAR. And then it should just be extracting over here. And so once it has extracted, you're going to go to click on the GeForce Now folder. Click CEF. And then go down here and then you'll see GeForceNow.exe. You're going to double click on here and then it should work from there. If that doesn't work, the next best thing is to contact Nvidia support to see if they can resolve the issue. I'll leave a link down below to the page where you can contact them. I'll also be leaving the page where you can download the GeForce Now app. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other questions or error codes, please leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.